Have you ever wondered how your colon health impacts your overall well-being? There is no question that a clean colon is good for your overall health. However, there have also been debates as to whether you should cleanse your colon or not, and if it's an unnecessary practice. Some have argued that you should not neglect your colon health because a clean colon keeps your mind balanced. This is true because the primary purpose of colon cleansing is to remove toxins from your digestive tract. Toxins from your digestive system can cause all sorts of problems for your health, including arthritis, headaches, and other health issues. Colon cleansing is an essential medical practice that involves flushing out the large intestine with herbal tea, water, juices, salt water, and some probiotics. This is often done in some medical procedures where the medical professionals must see inside the intestine to perform a medical procedure. This type of colon cleansing is called colonic irrigation. The other popular method is called an enema. Then there is another one called purging, which is very common in Ayurveda medicine. Today we're diving into 3 essential ways to keep your colon clean, inspired by ancient wisdom and modern insights. Stay tuned because this knowledge might change your life. Plus, don't miss our bonus after the 3 methods we'll discuss. This bonus will talk about other ways that you can cleanse your colon. 1. Purging. Let's begin with our first method, purging. According to Ayurveda and Siddha, cleansing the colon is the initial step in addressing various health issues, including sleeplessness and mild psychological problems. In Ayurveda or Siddha, if you are having sleepless nights, psychological problems, eating disorders, issues with overweight, or any serious medical issues, the first thing that could be suggested to you is purging. The idea is that purging the system will clean the colon and suddenly you feel slightly balanced. Purging in general terms refers to self-induced vomiting or misuse of diet pills, laxatives, and diuretics aimed to influence the body's weight and calorie consumption. This type of compensatory behavior is often associated with people with eating disorders like bulimia and anorexia. Regular purging. Regular purging can be as simple as incorporating certain foods and herbs into your diet. One effective method is the use of neem and turmeric. The neem tree, originally indigenous to the Indian subcontinent, is one of the most complex leaves you can find on the planet. Combining neem and turmeric aims to keep the alimentary canal tract clean from harmful microorganisms. Neem and turmeric create a powerful combination that cleanses the alimentary tract, eliminating harmful microorganisms and supporting friendly bacteria essential for digestion. Second method of purging, meal gaps. The second method is ensuring proper meal gaps. Modern diets often encourage frequent eating, hindering the body's natural purification processes. The meal gaps are almost like intermittent fasting. The idea is to allow yourself enough time between meals to allow your system to work the way nature intended. Because overeating, or not allowing your foods to digest before eating another meal, can cause trouble for your body. The suggested meal gap is a minimum of 6 to 8 hours between one meal and the next. Allowing sufficient time between meals allows your body to complete the digestive process and eliminate impurities, leading to better colon health and overall well-being. 2. Colon irrigation. Colon irrigation is a means of flushing out the large intestine. Some refer to this as colon hydrotherapy or colonic, which aims to remove toxins from the colon or intestinal tract. A colonic hygienist usually performs this type of colon cleansing. The procedure is performed by inserting a tube into the rectum while a patient lies on the table. Then water, or whatever type of liquid is used for the irrigation, is pushed through the tube to flush the colon. When this is done, the colon contracts and expels the liquid and waste into the rectum with mild cramping or gas pressure. Colon irrigation, as described, is no longer as popular as it once was. The most popular cleansing these days is primarily with laxatives, sometimes with teas, capsules, and laxatives in powdered form. These days, most people prefer colon cleansing by buying over-the-counter medicines and doing it themselves, instead of having a colon hygienist or hydrotherapist perform colon irrigation on them using a hydrotherapy machine. 3. Enema. Enema is an injection of fluid into the rectum to help you poop or have a bowel movement. Enema kits are available at most pharmacies without a prescription, or a patient can get the kits at their healthcare provider's office. Though enema is for colon cleansing, most people do it to relieve constipation or to prepare for procedures such as a colonoscopy. Fleet or saline are the most common enema kits. You can purchase them over the counter. They all come with directions so that people can use them as directed to avoid complications. Some referred to enema as the last-ditch effort to relieve constipation when you can't poop. Bonus methods to cleanse your colon. Let's explore the benefits of triphala and castor oil. Triphala is a magical combination of 3 fruits known for their powerful cleansing properties. Triphala. It is a magical 3 fruits of the tropical world. Mixing them correctly and the triphala with a little water, a spoon of milk or some other liquid, or even honey, when combined the right way and taken, will cleanse the colon very well. Triphala and castor oil. Triphala, taken with water or honey, aids in maintaining a clean colon. Additionally, castor oil is a powerful natural laxative that can be taken in small amounts to promote regular bowel movements and reduce inertia in the body. Half a spoon of castor oil every day in the night. Warm it, put it in water or milk, and drink it up. If you do this regularly, your colon will remain clean and your lymphatic system will get active because the inertia levels in the body will decrease due to using castor oil. Regular purging with neem and turmeric, maintaining proper meal gaps, and using triphala and castor oil can significantly improve your colon health and overall well-being. Remember, your health is your greatest asset. Taking small steps to ensure your colon is clean and functioning optimally can significantly improve your mental clarity, energy levels, and overall quality of life. That said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.